Sensational.
I swear.
We'll do it again. Take 3.
Maybe we should like write this down.
Take 87.
Sensational Kitchen Secrets.
Hi YouTube watchers, welcome to Sensational Kitchen Secrets. This is Genevieve.
And this is Kelly, and today we're going to be reviewing some recipes.
Now these are 2 new recipes that we're going to be doing, cocktail and food. We have never tried these before, so these will be our first impressions. We are not professionals.
At all.
No, we did not make up these recipes.
Nope.
So let's get to the alcohol first.
Yes, favorite part, okay. So today we're going to be making a hot spice apple cider.
And this is by your girl
Ina Garten.
Yeah,
Yay.
so we literally, don't check this, ripped out this recipe from the Costco magazine.
Yes, Costco's, that's the place
Yeah,
to be.
right. All right, so step number 1.
Throw everything in the pot, honestly, which is my favorite thing to do.
That's easy enough.
Yeah.
All right, so place the apple cider peppercorns. All right, so it's 4
cups of this.
cups.
Okay.
That's
Put
a
it
2.
Put it on the counter, ladies and gentlemen.
And then 1 cinnamon stick.
Yes. And then 3 cloves, 3 dry cloves.
Just like the whole thing.
Yeah. Drop it in there.
All right, that was easy.
I know, right? 3 of these.
I like these easy ones.
4 peppercorns.
4? That's very specific.
Yeah. That's what the recipe says. 4 whole peppercorns.
Huh.
And then 1 star anise.
Okay.
Try not to say that.
All right. That's it.
Yep. And then you just put, oh, I lied.
Cut a large peel from the orange.
Oh my god, I need something like that.
Amazon.
Amazon and Costco, hello.
Yeah, right. Is that large enough?
Yeah, it's perfect. You know, we're just kind of winging it too. Making our own thing. Bring the cider to a boil, lower heat, and simmer for 5 minutes.
Oh, the apple isn't until later?
Yeah, you just drop it. I think it's more of a garnish.
Seems good.
Boom. And then slice it pretty thin. Careful, this part is the scary part, y'all. Now this recipe is 4 servings, but we like to drink, so it's for 2 people.
You're right.
Awesome. And then I think for the orange, we just do segments,
Oh, yeah.
right? Now is the best part.
Oh, wait, we have to put alcohol in it.
Oh my god, how did I forget?
This is a cocktail, right? It actually says to pour the hot apple cider into the mugs and then add 2 tablespoons of bourbon.
Okay.
So we have our bourbon, we have this.
And bringing over the hot cider.
All right. This looks good.
Oh, did we have to strain it or just pour it in there?
I think we're just gonna pour it in
Yeah,
there.
we
I don't
can
think
just
we have to,
do all that fancy stuff.
yeah, make that fancy.
Exactly.
Oh, you know what? It probably would have been better to pour the bourbon in first.
To see how much. Told you, first impressions, guys. We're this
We're figuring this
together.
out. Okay. So.
It's a healthy mix, a healthy
Why?
pour.
It's 2. I followed the directions.
No, I love it.
Oops. A little messy as we go. Oh, bourbon hit me right in the face.
I got it with a big too. It's gonna be a good one, y'all.
Yeah. We're gonna be very warm
Oh yeah.
this fall. All right.
And you drop your oranges. Bloop, bloop. And our apples. Boom, boom. And our cinnamon stick. All right.
Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am. Give it a little stir. Ooh.
There we go.
Don't get too excited, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god, it's hot.
Ooh, that is hot. That is good.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
I feel like it's hitting me in the throat. It's delicious.
Any colds you guys may have, wipes it out.
Goodbye, sinuses.
Exactly. So now the fun part. We are going to test
The alcohol wasn't the fun part.
You know what? You're actually right. What am I thinking? Now this not so fun but cool part.
We're belly filling part.
So we're gonna be testing out this acorn squash soup that we found online. So it's my first time ever having acorn squash. So
You've never had
I've
it
never
before?
had
Oh my
it,
gosh.
yeah.
It is the epitome of fall. It's gonna be great.
Oh,
yep.
this is
I've never
touching
had
souls.
this. I've never had this recipe either. It's by Martha Stewart.
Okay.
We have it up on our fancy little iPad here. I don't know if it reaches that far, but it's there. Believe us. We wouldn't lie.
Exactly.
We haven't at this point. So the ingredients call for 2 acorn squash, a tablespoon of butter, 1 medium onion, salt and pepper, which is way back there, fresh thyme, chicken broth, and half and half. But we're cheating a little bit and we're doing heavy whipping cream
You want
instead.
a richer, more welcoming experience. So
That we were cheap. We already had it in the fridge.
that's
so.
true. You know.
You make it work
use
for
what
you.
got.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this up and divide it into the amount that we need. It's always best to keep butter in your apron. So I actually watched this thing with Gordon Ramsay on Masterclass where he says not to cut the root.
Ah, puts it together?
I feel like it has something to do, you know, I don't know. I don't remember anymore. See, I do things.
To do it, you just do it.
Exactly. I watch things, I learn, I just don't know the reason why.
Yeah. As long as it tastes good, honestly.
Yeah, right. But I'm sure if you were to watch this and see how I'm chopping this onion, you'd be like, you didn't learn anything.
You did not watch the master class, you liar.
Right? Are you drunk when you were watching it?
Yes.
Dummy?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
right.
was.
Not gonna lie, Gordon. Yes, I was.
You know what's funny? Oh, damn, I forgot.
You forgot what's
Yeah.
funny?
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I really forgot. Never mind.
You know, if you drink some more, it'll come back.
I was supposed to say that. I finished drinking. It came through while I was drinking. Onions and garlic, man. That's
Oh, nice! Nice!
Oh. Oh gosh. No.
Oh, it hit me. It hit me hard. It hit me real hard.
You can't do anything.
No, and I just wiped the board with this, so it has like onion milk.
Want to use mine? Onion milk?
It was white. I assumed it was milk. Is onion milk not a thing? Where's my elbow? Oh my gosh.
I need the good stuff.
I feel like that's enough onion.
Yeah.
You know what I was saying earlier about how much I love onion? I take it
Take it back.
I take it all back.
Oh my god, it
It
really
was
got
so
you.
mean. Onion's so mean to me.
Dang
About
you,
my family.
Shake it on, baby.
I think it's shake it up, baby.
Oh, shake it up. Well, hello. This is a
Same thing.
remix. Do you wipe down your can openers after you use them?
Mm-hmm. I'm always so messy. Like, I'm not a very clean cook. I'll say that. Like, I try to clean as I go, but the reason why is because I'm like flaying my arms and like doing crazy things and like food is splashing and. Oh, let's pierce it.
Yes.
Oh, I wouldn't do the top.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
Not ready.
2 more minutes. You know, I think I've been going backwards the whole time. I mean, like I've been going forward because I just did this one backwards and it just cleaned out so much of it.
Said, okay.
Let's see if I can do it right this time. So you hold it from the top and you break it off. Hold it from the top and then you go down and all the leaves come off.
Boom.
Here I am doing it like a chump, going the wrong way. Look at all these. Like, look how many leaves are on this. This could feed 8 kids in Africa.
Did you say chump?
That's the part you heard. Cooking's hard.
Are you ready? Oh.
some alcohol.
2 tablespoons. Where'd the butter go? Oh.
This is why we chop before we get super wasted. This is a team job.
Okay, great. Jeez.
Alright, you slide.
I dropped some, I'm sorry.
You know what's down there. There's so much other food.
Great abyss down there. Thank you.
Yeah.
See if it's ready. Oh god, this is hot. It's kind of, not really.
Alright, so Martha said
Martha's
to
lying.
heat these in. Martha's a liar!
The top part is cooked.
Wonder she went to prison.
The small part. I love it. Oh yeah, this is done.
Oh,
This
great.
is done, yeah.
Alright, so just to let you guys know, we cooked it for 8 minutes at first. And then we did another one because she said 8 to 10. And then 10 was not enough. We had to do
12 minutes.
12 minutes.
12 minutes.
12 minutes.
Martha, you lied to us a little bit.
Yeah. So we cut in half and we scoop out the middle. So there's actually only 3 steps.
Yeah.
One was to place the squash on a paper towel in the microwave for 8 to 10 minutes at 12. And then remove it, cut each in half to speed cooling. When cooled enough, scoop out and discard the seeds. Yada yada yada. Step 2. In a large saucepan, heat butter over medium. Add onion, season with salt and pepper.
Yes.
Cook, stirring occasionally until tender. 3 to 5 minutes. And then add the squash, the thyme, the broth, and 2 cups of water. Broth and 2 cups of water.
Oh,
that
wow.
was not on our list.
Right? So
Okay,
it's
our list literally says 2 acorn squash, 1 tablespoon of butter. Did you add 2 tablespoons? Nobody
It's okay.
hates butter. I
Exactly.
mean, more butter the better. That's what I say.
Exactly. The
Put
French
it
know
on
what they're
everything.
doing.
The French know what they're doing.
Yeah.
That's true. Okay. 2 tablespoons of butter if you're in this kitchen. 1 medium onion that hates you. Salt, pepper, thyme, 1 can of chicken broth, and a half a cup of half and half.
Yeah.
AKA heavy whipping cream.
Exactly.
Now,
Oh.
but let's talk about this for a moment because this recipe says, step 2, in a large saucepan, heat butter over medium. Done. Add onion, season with salt and pepper. Done. Cook, stirring occasionally until tender. 3 to 5 minutes. Add squash, thyme, broth, and water. Bring to a boil over a high heat. Reduce. Cook until squash is tender. 10 to 5 minutes. And now, oh, just kidding. I was about to say, there's no half and half. That's not true. It's in the 3rd step. But nowhere did it say water.
Exactly.
What if we didn't have any? California's in a drought.
We are in the
We're always in a drought.
Things are burning.
Things are burning?
No, not here.
Oh, California's burning, not in our kitchen. Our kitchen's great. Burn my fingertips off.
My
Now
God.
we can commit a crime.
Yes.
What do we do with this?
We have to scoop it out and drop it in there, right?
We
After-
still have to scoop?
Yeah.
Like the flesh out?
Yeah.
Oh.
What happened?
All the time I spent on my time.
Did you lose?
Yeah, I just threw my
Track
time.
of time. You know what's interesting? This recipe does not call for garlic.
Oh.
I
I
feel
thought
like
you were a drink recipe.
no.
I'm same page, yes, you're right.
I'm just like everything I put with onions, I will add garlic to it.
Yeah, I do too. I love garlic.
You can have much garlic.
It's so heavy.
This is our big one. What's the difference between bisque and soup?
You know, I'm not a professional, but I will lie to you.
Oh.
I mean, did we say that earlier we weren't gonna lie? No,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
you
lie
said-
to you right now. Bisque is very thick
Oh.
and pureed, where soup has like chunks in it. That's all made up.
Too many. Just
We're on to step number 3 after that.
Mhm. After that, we
No thanks, Martha.
we let it cook. We blend it. Pour it back in the pot. Add some half and half or heavy cream. More salt and pepper, and boom.
I love salt and
We are done.
We should do shots.
Yes.
Yeah. So I say we take a shot of this and then we chase it
With this?
with the apple cider
That's the only way to do
cocktail.
it. Ooh.
That's so good.
I know a little bit of Spanish.
I know a little bit of tacos. I'm so hungry.
Me too.
I haven't had breakfast.
Boom.
Nailed it. Yes!
Ooh.
I know you're a dancer. Don't underestimate yourself. Dance your heart out until your shoes fly off into the sunset.
Tell me anything else. Are you ready to
Blend.
Yes.
Blend. We're cleaning as we're going. Shoot. I can't think when I drink. So Martha says do this in batches. So we're gonna blend some of it.
Yes. She
And
said to
then-
do it in batches, so
But do we take that batch out or we just add more and keep
I
blending?
think we add more.
Martha!
Blending.
Oh, okay. I can do that.
What did
Oh, we
Martha
can do
say? This is your expertise. I did that.
Okay, so we have now blended for 10 seconds.
Boom.
Let's add more.
You can add all of it, honestly.
You know,
Just
do what feels right for you.
Exactly.
This is too heavy. I'm gonna add it all. I just couldn't do it.
Pour it on.
I did put deodorant on today. You're really close to these wings. These open wings. It got me in the armpit.
You okay?
Actually, I like it. Got me in the bow.
Okay.
Oh, right close to the wings. It got me
Right
in
close
the
to
bow.
the wings. Hello. Okay.
That one goes. That one goes.
Yeah.
You want to kick it in a high gear?
Yeah.
Woo! What's that? Oh, sorry. That wasn't as heavy as I made it out to be. It's hot.
Ooh.
It was worth it. So this goes back on the stove.
For like another minute or so? Season. Perfect.
Oh.
Perfect. There's no being perfect.
Pepper.
Yeah, twist it.
I feel like I'm getting a facial.
Is it good? Is it good? Oh.
And then we garnish it.
With some time.
Garnishes are where I like to get super fancy.
Yeah.
I'm just making a solid line across
Oh, that's pretty.
because honestly, who cares?
Where we're going, we don't need no spoon.
All right, here we go.
See how we like
Here we
it?
go. Don't let us down, Martha.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I like that.
This tastes like fall just kicked me in the mouth.
Literally.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so good.
It's hot. Oh my
It's
gosh, but
definitely
it's
hot.
so good. Don't eat this with a small spoon.
Mm-mm.
We need bigger spoons.
Mm-hmm.
We made a mistake. Bigger spoons is where it's at.
Yep. Cheers. Boom. This tastes fucking amazing. Bleep that out. I love the drink.
Yes.
First time ever having hot apple cider,
Okay.
and it was good.
The only
loved
thing is, as soon as you removed it from the stove, it
Yeah.
got cold.
Yeah, and then
Which
once
is
it gets kind of
fine.
cold,
Put it on ice. At this point, put it on ice.
Yeah, because you know how you get like, those hot coffees and they kind of get room temperature? It's not the
Isn't that
same.
great? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The bisque
Whew,
so far
good.
is so hot, but it's
It's
so good.
It is good. I
Yeah.
think it was the extra tablespoon of butter and the heavy cream. I mean, I don't know.
Those are our sensational kitchen secrets
There it
of
is.
the week.
Exactly. Double the butter, double
Double
the
the
cream. Impression.
Let's drink more!
Successful first impression.